is just a quick unboxing video of the brand new Wyze band, Smart Home Assistant and Activity Tracker. This is the replacement strap that also came in with my package. But let's see, here's the package here. It's got the information, 90 mAh battery, lithium, no, 120 mAh battery. The input current is 90. It's Bluetooth 5.0. Works with Android or iOS, TPU, AMOLED, color screen, customizable screens, activity and heart rate tracking, phone finder. You can control Wyze devices. You've got Alexa built in, and it is waterproof. So let's open the box up and pull this out. You do have the instructions, quick start guide that are in there. And let's see, you've got a little sticker. I backed Wyze band because I pre-ordered. This is a pre-order. I assume that sticker doesn't come unless you pre-ordered it. I don't know if you need to open that. It feels like it could just, yeah, this comes right out. But there's probably other stuff in the box as well. So, oh, there we go. So, that's all that's in the box. Probably the charger. Yes, this is the USB charger. And you can see it has the, this is the kind of charger that has the two little nodes, so it's obviously a proprietary charger. It doesn't, the band itself doesn't plug directly into your computer, and nor does it use a USB Type-C charger. It just has the two little nodes, so this has to clip onto that to charge. So that's the first thing I'll be doing, and you can see you've got your heart rate and sensor and stuff there. The Wyze branding, your little thing letting you know you got to charge it first to start, and I guess that's it. So that's what comes in the box.